Hello everybody, and greetings from near Schering, Germany. The Bicyclist Festival here is coming to an end. People are starting to take down their tents and get ready to ride home. And we're getting ready to pack up and start heading towards Berlin. We will not make it till Berlin until probably tomorrow afternoon. We do have a Warmshowers host lined up for this evening. The skies are gray, but we're hoping for less rain today. Just had a couple sprinkles yesterday. Not bad at all. So it'd be great if we could ride today without any rain. Getting ready to pack up and say goodbye to all these great new friends that we met since we've been here the last couple days, as well as our good friends Karen and Werner, who we hope to see back stateside next year when they take another year sabbatical. Just got to keep our fingers crossed with coronavirus, COVID-19, so that they can have entry into the country, because right now, United States, not so easy to get into if you are traveling from Europe. Looking forward to a good ride today, and Philip and I will see you guys down the road.